But the first thing the Ilu Agwu is this. Now, the difference between Nonya Lulagu and Nonya Narulagu, but all and they buy Malife as of the old. If later on I say, Kaponata Wono, be a Merry Christmas. Etu akaye sina Ponata Wono, Nani Igbo, be a Merry Ilu Agwu. And I will explain. Now, in Europe, even with plethora of opportunity. But to fine-tune which opportunity that matches your energy, the problem. In our now. Which means in your own case, any car all get the apple. Kachikota the more. Can your creativity more channel? Just watch this thing now. Imagine passing a ray of light. Every my science, let me explain it to a way is water. If you pass a ray of light through a light spectrum or diffract into different colors, Abi. So am I to follow ultraviolet, blue, green, white? Which one? So even an Ilu Agwu is to fine-tune that ray, couple A B. What is the disparity between rays and B? A ray is when it is reflecting, diffracting haphazardly, whichever way. But a beam, it has been conditioned to a definite place. So what we do during Ilu Agwu is to convert the rays of your creativity into beam of creativity. Because having rays of creativity will make you to have indeterminate consciousness, indecision. Imukata mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, music, because it is rays. But the first thing the Ilu Agwu is this. It will trigger a spark for passion. You will find something you do, even though you are not being paid. You love to do it. The greatest essence of our existence, the Nadati no Gabi name, and Apugu Guada Apugu, Obian when I back in the name. Ever I can't get it. Now, the difference between Nonya Lulagu, Nonya Narulagu, but Onye Nia Rolagu, name little things he is doing, she is doing, we look as if to say it's too good. Your creativity, little things you do, because now in water, because this is your field, you do it effortlessly. So when them every noketa opportunity is it. Open up to in Europe now. You may push your pukita. And when they come out, I may listen. In Argentina, Kedamosuna Tazaketa, Uruagu na Uruagu. That is when you don't know where is your area of specialty. You are poised with the quest of finding out. Kedem modeling. In every modeling, breakdance, I go back and talk about a man of care. That does not mean that a human cannot have multiple talents. But what I'm saying is that not allowing that multiple talent to have definition. What the Ilu Agwu can define reality, your consciousness, so that your creative consciousness are this streamlined like a beam of light, not like a ray. So, open na isi battery ndị nne na nna anyị mụrụ anyị adịrọ n'ụlọ ekwesịgo gị ịkpọta ụgwọ kpọta ụlọ rụọ ọrụ gị abụ. These things are esoteric ritual. It looks stupid. In our, it looks stupid to the eyes of an Ofeke, but it's very, very intrinsic. And once you do it, everything will begin to fall in place.